Hey, what's up YouTube? Xiaomi has officially entered into the foldable game and their next generation foldable device is going to be the Mi Mix Fold. Today Xiaomi joined the foldable smartphone race with the first device with a flexible screen and the Mi Mix Fold. So this phone features some really futuristic technologies such as liquid lens and in-house developed chip. So the first thing is obviously going to be the design and display of the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold. So the overall design philosophy of the Mi Mix Fold closely resembles that of the Samsung Fold, and the phone folds inwards and there are secondary screen on the front. There is also however some difference. Unlike other foldable models on the market, the big inner screen is coming with an 8-inch of AMOLED display with WQHD plus resolution and a 4:3 aspect ratio. Xiaomi says that the display is capable of shining up to 600 nits of brightness and it also supports HDR10 plus support and Dolby Vision. The phone is equipped with quad speaker system, further enhancing the cinematic experience. So the other display is also AMOLED variant and has a 6.52-inch of diagonal, and it's coming with a 90Hz of refresh rate panel with 2520 by 840 resolution. Next come the hardware. Unsurprisingly, we have the Snapdragon 888 processor inside, and it's going to be coming with a 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM with 256 gigs of internal storage, and the other variant is going to be 512 gigs of internal storage with 16 gigs of RAM configuration. Battery-wise, it is going to be coming with a massive 5020 mAh of a double cell battery design with a 67 watt of wide turbocharging support inside, and unfortunately we don't have any support for wireless charging. In terms of cameras, well, we have a 108 megapixel of a camera sensor on the back side, and it's the Samsung GN2 sensor, which is going to be obviously great in terms of low light photography. So this is going to be a great camera sensor. There is also going to be a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the third camera is going to be an interesting choice because it is going to be a telephoto lens, which is coming with a liquid lens technology where the lens itself made out of transparent liquid placed between the two membranes. Instead of using several lens elements to change the focus, liquid lens will use the motor electricity to change the shape of the lens itself. It not only operates as a telephoto camera which has the ability to go for 3 times of optical zoom and up to 30 times of digital zoom, but it also has the functionality for a macro photography of up to 3 cm, and that is going to be absolutely amazing. And since this is a liquid technology, Xiaomi claims that it can operate in a wide range of temperatures from -40 to 60°C that device can operate. Next comes the big innovation that Xiaomi has introduced in the Mi Mix Fold, and it's going to be their custom ISP Plus chip that has been developed in-house by Xiaomi itself, and its name is the Surge C1. The Surge C1 chip should provide better and faster autofocus, auto white balance, and other bunch of improvements in terms of its image processing. So lastly is going to be the price of the Mi Mix Fold, and if you look at the Chinese price and convert them into the US dollars, you will notice that the device which is coming with 12 gigs and 256 gigs of internal storage is going to be priced around $1,500, whereas the 12 gig and 512 gig variant is going to be cost you around $1,700, and 16 gigs and 512 gigs of internal storage can cost you around $2,000. So overall, I think that the Mi Mix Fold is going to be an interesting choice of hardware because there is going to be another area which most of the people are going to be concerned of, and that is going to be the software experience. I honestly looking forward towards the software experience, that how Xiaomi is going to be handling such a high end of 8-inch of display in terms of their device. Fingers are crossed right now because this is going to be the first generation of a device, so it may have some problem. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about the Mi Mix Fold? And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and peace.